Let's make some miniature Stranger Things crafts, like VHS tapes. You can screenshot this printable. There's also a link in the description. Print them out on the size of a piece of paper. I'm going to take some black paper. I'm going to cut out these cover pieces. I placed the front and the back on some black paper. I'm going to cut it out with a gap in between and also some extra pieces on the top and sides. I'm going to take an X-Acto knife and I'm going to score above both pieces. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. I also score on the gap in the middle. I cut off the extra on this side, and I'm going to cut at the bottom here in between the gap, also at the top. And I'm going to fold on all the scored lines. I glue the tabs together at the top and bottom. This part's optional, but I'm going to add some glossy black paint on top so that it looks a little more shiny. Now I can take the front piece and glue it on with a glue stick. And trim off the extra. Same with the back. I'm going to cut out the printable for the actual tapes. I cut out another square of black paperboard. I'm going to measure the tape on it and I'm going to score on either side. I also make a little bar in the middle and two pieces at the top. I cut both sides a little smaller so that they can be tabs. I'm also going to cut at an angle to make tabs on both sides. Now I fold on the scored lines. I glue the tabs together to make a box. I'm also going to paint it to add an extra shine. I glue the printable on top to make a VHS tape. You can push the tape inside the cover to make some movie tapes with actual tapes inside them. You can use the waffle printout that I included with the VHS printout, or I have these Shopkins waffles. It does have a face on it, but you can just flip it upside down and it looks a lot better. The lid does come off for these too. I cut out 2 flower shapes, one out of red and one out of gray, both the same size. I sew them together and then leave a gap in one side so I can fill it with stuffing. I used paint to add some details. To make a demogorgon stuffed animal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and toss such a thumb what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye! Hey Sam, are you ready to watch? Huh? Sam. Ah! Wait, was that supposed to be scary?